Ngayon ko palang i-unbox itong aking sewing machine. Isang linggo ko na tong nabili pero ngayon ko palang siya i-unbox. Okay? It's a Brother sewing machine. May pagganon pa tayo, ano? Anyway, let's begin. Inside. Hindi ko alam kung ano to. Pero saan to? I think para sa bobbin. Wow! Amazing. Ano to? Hindi ko alam kung ano yan. But, ooh, it's so cute. Here's the manual and saka yung DVD niya nasa loob. Bumili pa kami ng DVD player just to be able to play and watch this. Meron siyang instruction manual and sewing projects DVD. So, kailangan ko tong panoorin. Bumili kami kahapon sa cash converter, second hand na DVD player kasi yung DVD player namin ay hindi DVD player, Blu-ray. Ayaw niya sa DVD. So, hindi nag-work sa DVD. So, bumili kami ng second hand na DVD kahapon. Mura lang naman. Hindi ko pa natatry. Sana mag-work. Anyway, let's take this beautiful baby out. Ta-da! I need help. Ako lang mag-isa. So, I help myself. Ganun. Yeah. There. The styrofoam. Hirap mag-isa, walang kasama. Ayan. Look at that baby. Amazing. Ang ganda niya. So actually guys, hindi ko alam pa kung paano gamitin to. Aaralin ko pa lang. I just thought maybe i-start ko siya as a hobby. I don't know, deep inside me, parang gusto kong magtahi-tahi. Pero yung patience ko is hindi ganun kahaba. So, let's see. Kasi we need a lot of patience. Yeah, kahit hindi pa ako marunong, no? Parang, yeah, it's so, amazing. Wow, yun na lang nasabi ko, no? Amazing. Should I take this off? Not yet. So, ganun nga siya, So, bago ko to galaw-galawin, I make sure muna na I know where they supposed to. Okay. So, kailangan kong panoorin yung DVD manual niya muna. Bago ko ito kalikutin. The problem with this, kung bakit actually it took me a while to really get into this hobby. Kasi, I don't know how to put the bobbin. Kasi nung bata pa ako, my mom is a dressmaking, she's a dressmaker. Wow, dressmaking category. So, kinakalikot ko ang kanyang lumang singer na sewing machine. And, sa mga nakaka-relate dyan sa sewing machine, gustong-gusto kong kalikutin ang sewing machine ng aking ina. Pero, kapag ka-ready na. So, ready yung sinulid, yung bobbin niya sa loob, ready. Pag naubos na yung sinulid na yun, I don't know how to use it. Where's the light? May light daw siya, LED. Saan yun? Mamaya, let's find it out later when we watch the DVD instructional guide. Yeah. So, nung bata ako, ganun yung ginagawa ko. Pag nakikita ko yung nanay ko na nagtatahi, parang ang sarap sa, ears yung sound ng, makina. And may makina siya noon, and pinapakialaman ko. Pag wala na siya, ginugupit ko yung mga retaso niya, tapos ginagawa kong mga damit ng aking Barbies. Yes. And speaking of Barbies, meron ako doon, no? Gagawan ko siya ng damit. In the future, pag marunong ako magtahi, but we still need to, learn how to do this and kalikot this one. Yeah? And, let's play and watch the DVD, ano, ayan o, binili namin sa cash converter for $39. Bumili lang kami ng, of course, second hand kasi hindi naman talaga siya necessary dahil nga it's not DVD generation anymore. Wala nang DVD. So, this is just for this use, yung DVD manual. And bakit ko ba sinusok-sok yun doon? And binili namin to ng $39. And let's open it. We need to turn on the TV, of course. Yeah. And i-play natin. Ay, I'm so excited. I can't deny it. Oh, so you see it works. Kasi ito yung nakasalang sa cash converter. Whereas, nag-work naman talaga siya. Let's just hope na compatible siya sa ating DVD na instruction dito para mapanood ko and magamit ko na siya and I'll be able to use it. Yay! Nabili ko pala to sa Daiso. Mayroon pala akong sinuli na kala ko wala. I don't know if this is going to work for the bobbing. So small. Paano ba to? Ay! Muntik pang nahulog. Kailangan lang pala itong hilain pataas. Kasi nasa loob siya din hilain. Then, where is the bobbing? Let's press it down. Ay! Ay, hindi ko pa pala. Kailangan ko pa pala munang ipasok yung sinulit sa loob. Gosh. Then, kamusta ang mata natin? Sabi niyo, Vera. From the bottom, right? Kaya pa ng mata ko. Is it like that? Gosh. Mali yata tayo. Mali. Hindi ka nagpapay attention. Goodness me. Then, like that. Tama ako, right? Guys, tama ba? Thanks. Mali agad. Actually, it's not there. Mali ka. Pull. And then, it goes around here. Around here and there. Diba? Tapos Ginoo. Tama ba? Yeah. Tama. And then, take the bobbin out. Pataas pala. Should go up. Sus. Lagot. Lagot ang mata natin talaga. Yung mata nating bulag. Should go up. Oh, got it. And, ooh. Push down. There you go. Lain daw ganun. Tama ba? Tama ba? Ganon. Ganon, no? Let's see if this works. Ay, nako. Then, turn it on. Pedal. Let's see. Wala naman. Wala. What's going on? Wala. What? What did I do wrong? Nag-work na. Yay! Stop muna natin daw doon. Then, cut this part. Carry on. Ang galing ko. Hala. Saya-saya. Na-turn off ko muna. Make sure na turn off. Sabi pa nga. You don't know anything. Tas first timer ka. Tanggalin daw dito. Then, damay baka magkamali na naman tayo nito. Put it there. And parang may mali. Yung pala yung ano. Was that correct? Okay, should be correct. Then let's close it. Now, sa taas naman. So this is right here. Okay, let's take that off first. So it says up, down, down. 1, 2, 3. 1 and down. And then up again. Around this thing. And and let's try this cloth. Okay. And put it down. Try nga. Pero okay, that is. I need to cut that part. Seems like why is my thread like that? Okay, my thread is so complicated. Okay, may mali tayo sa part na yun. That is so not nice. Okay, for starters, what to do? You should be able to figure what is going on. But not bad. Kasi, if I will, kasi meron akong pants talaga na gusto nang tahiin. Okay? Okay, where are you going? That needle, really.